Hi, and welcome to Cooking in Mike's Backyard. Today I'm going to show you how to make Louisiana-style barbecue shrimp. Now what's interesting about barbecued shrimp in Louisiana is it's not actually barbecued, it's sauteed. But I'm going to show you how you can make it in your smoker. It's quick and easy and delicious. We're starting off with a pound of peeled shrimp. These are 1620s, which means there are about 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. So they're about, they're pretty good size. What we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the tails on. They've already been cleaned and veined. We're gonna leave the tails on, and we're just gonna cover them up with some spicy rub. I'm using my pork rub because that's the spicier rub I have, but you can mix your own. You just want a good spicy flavor. We're gonna cover both sides. After you got them covered up, you're gonna put them in the refrigerator and let them sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, we got the smoker fired up at 250 degrees. We're smoking with pecan today. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna take 2 sticks of butter and put them in the smoker and melt them down. Once you get the butter melted, you're gonna add in half a cup of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 crushed garlic, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, and just mix it up. After you get it mixed up, set it aside and get your shrimp out of the refrigerator. Next, you take the butter mixture and just pour it over the shrimp. That looks good. And we're gonna spice it up a little. We're gonna add a couple dashes of hot sauce. Okay. This is gonna go back in the smoker only for about 20 or 30 minutes. You want the shrimp to be pink all the way through. No translucence at all. Okay, so the shrimp have been in the smoker for 30 minutes and it's time to plate them up for service. Now there's 3 different ways you can do it. You can serve them as an appetizer in a big bowl with a side of French bread, let people pick them out and dip the French bread in the sauce. Now if you're serving them as an entree, you can serve them with rice or grits. I like to make a center pile of rice and then surround them in the shrimp and the sauce. Today we're having them for lunch, so we're going to be serving them as shrimp po' boys. All right, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit subscribe or like. I'm posting videos as often as I can. Have a great day.